guys, Jessica here with French Farmhouse Flair, and today I'm going to be doing another painting project, and I'll be painting this wooden pumpkin that I purchased at Hobby Lobby. And I purchased it for $29, well it was $29.99, but all the fall art was 40% off, so I ended up getting that 40% off of that price. And it's already kind of a white, but actually looks more of a light gray to me than white, so I just kind of want to brighten it up a little bit with some white paint, because it kind of just looks like a dirty white. I think it's more of a gray to me, so I will be painting it with this Rust-Oleum linen white chalked paint, and I'll just be using my sponge brush from the Dollar Tree. And I will also be painting this pumpkin white that I purchased at Walmart, because it is more of a creamy yellow color, so I'm just going to do it more white. Okay, so let's get started. Okay guys, so here it is finished. I just tied a knot at the top and just let it hang down. I didn't want a bow, I just thought I would hang it down along with the raffia that's hanging there on the pumpkin. And I will be putting this in my big white wagon. I needed something kind of taller and big, so it would stand out in my big wagon. You will see it in my fall tour that will be in my living room on the very top shelf of my built-in living room entertainment center. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be painting my pumpkin from Walmart with the same white Rust-Oleum chalk paint. Okay guys, while I'm waiting for my Walmart pumpkin to dry over here, it may need a second coat, so we'll see. I'm going to start working on my other project here that I've already started. I didn't want to finish it because I'm like, oops, I better video this. You guys might be interested in this project. So I already did the 2 lines on either side here, these skinnier stripes on my grain sack pillow that is from Hobby Lobby. What I used was a fabric Tulip brand brush tip marker, and it comes in a pack of 2. So one is a fine tip marker, and then this other one, which is a little bit thicker brush tip on it. And it says it works best on light colored surfaces, but I've been doing on this dark kind of grayish blue color here, and it's working great. And it says that no heat setting required. So they are black fabric markers. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this wide stripe here in the middle of my French grain sack pillow. And I could not find it in black, so I'm just doing my own, guys. Sometimes you have to improvise and do little DIY projects when we cannot find exactly what we're looking for at the store. So here we go. Okay guys, here's my next project, and I'm going to go ahead and get started on it. Okay guys, I am going to be spray painting this blue birdcage. I'm going to be spray painting it with this white Rust-Oleum chalked spray paint in linen white. So here we go. Okay guys, my shelf from Hobby Lobby is also going to be getting a makeover, and it's that kind of dark blue distressed, like my birdcage was. It's kind of dark out here. It's been rainy. I'm in the garage, so I hope you guys can see this okay. I'm going to go ahead and get started with painting it with the same white chalk paint, spray paint Rust-Oleum, and linen white. Okay, here we go. Okay guys, I'm going to be spray painting this blue little wooden stool with the black spray paint from Walmart, and I love this Rust-Oleum handle for spray painting. It makes things a lot easier. I've had forever, you could tell. I've gotten a lot of use out of it. Probably need to get a new one soon, but I absolutely love it. It makes spray painting so much easier to use this handle. So again, you can get this at Walmart and the spray paint as well. And I just have placed my little wooden stool on some cardboard here, and let's get started. Okay guys, the next thing I'm going to be painting here is this bicycle. It's kind of gold and black, but I really just want it to be more of a solid black color, so I'm going to go ahead and spray paint this as well. Hey guys, I have one more thing I need to paint here. I recently got this from Target Dollar Spot, and they didn't have it the first time I was there buying some things, so I didn't share it with my Target Dollar Spot haul video, so I'm going to share it now. It just says pumpkin patch and hayrides, apple cider corn maze, and it was $3 at Target. And since this is fabric, I'm going to be using my fabric markers over here that I've shared with you before, and it's the Tulip brand. I have a fine tip and a brush tip, and you do not have to heat set this, so no heat setting required for these. So I'll be using those on this project, and just because I don't have the traditional fall colors in my decor, I'm going to be making it a little bit more neutral color for myself and for my home decor. So here we go.